Valentine's Day can hit differently when you're not in that fairy tale place you imagine. Maybe you're out of a breakup, maybe you're just tired of being single, or maybe you're just feeling alone. But you know what? This Valentine's Day, we're not going to sit in sadness, we're not going to text that toxic ex, and we're most definitely not going to question our worth based on who didn't choose us. We're turning those heavy emotions into something good. Because sometimes being single isn't a curse. It's actually the biggest gift you can give to yourself. The space to finally choose you. Love isn't only about roses, chocolates, and romantic dinners. Love is how you gently speak to yourself even when no one is watching. It's how you remind yourself, I am proud of myself even if no one says it. This is your reminder that love starts from within. And I know that sounds cliche, but think about it. When you love yourself, you stop begging for crumbs. You stop forcing what's not meant for you. You stop chasing peace because you become it. If you're going through something right now, I want you to think of it as a test. Not the kind that you fail, but the kind that builds you up. Because, okay, I know I tend to say this a lot in my videos, but one day you will look back on this and you realize that you didn't just survive, but you grew. So instead of asking, why me? So ask, what is this moment trying to teach me right now? Focus on what's in your control, that is your healing, your boundaries, your peace. Because forcing something that's not meant for you, it's never love, it's just fear dressed up as hope. This Valentine's Day, I want you to celebrate you. Take yourself out, journal, dance in your room, buy yourself flowers, the love you've always wanted. Because the truth is, you don't need a Valentine to feel loved. You just need to remember that you are worth showing up for. So here's to healing, growing, and becoming the woman or the man who doesn't settle because she finally realized she is the love she's been waiting for. If no one has told you this today, I am proud of you and I love that you're choosing yourself this year. Happy Valentine's Day, beautiful.